Knee jump.
On our knees, with our feet bent. You're gonna try to sit on your heels. And from here, you're gonna use your arms. You're gonna jump.
Yes. Oh, good job. Look at that. It's hard when you're tall.
So we're gonna try it again. You start off and you're gonna use your arms to help you.
Yeah.
Good. Now we're gonna start off with the toe grab. You're gonna bend down, you're gonna bend your knees a little bit. You're gonna grab your toes and you're gonna keep your thumb on top. And from here you're just gonna walk straight.
You can also have races with that, which is interesting.
We're gonna walk backwards.
No, little kids don't get sore.
We're gonna drop off side to side. Start off going left.
And stop.